वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावधानी भलायकेन. तर आमचो क्रिसमस आमचो कुस्वाराची तयारी चालू आसा आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचें गोंयचें दोदोल, गोवन दोदोल रेसिपी. Okay, this is a sweet dish and only very few people of Goans knows what is dodol. And for all those who have never tried, for them this is the recipe. Try this recipe and enjoy. Okay, so what you need is, so this is half kg of Goan jaggery. Okay, this is called pyramid जॅगरी, काळे गोड. ते हांवें अर्दो किलो घेतला. मागीर हांवें 2 आख्खे नाल्लाचो रोस काडला. रोस कसो काडपाक जाय, मिक्सरान वांटून घेयात आनी पयलो तो दाट तो रोस काडूंक जाय. सो दिस इज ज्यूस ऑफ 2 whole coconut. You have to grind it in the mixer and then sieve it and remove thick juice. So this is like of 2 whole coconut, and then after that, after you remove the thick juice, then this is like around 1 to 2 cups. So this is like around 1 cup actually, 1 cup of thin juice. So let's start. And then we need 1 cup of rice flour. तर मातशें हें बरोवन घेयात आनी थोड्यो काजू बियो. ओके, ह्यो इतल्योच वस्तू जायो आमचें गोंयचें दोदोल करपाक. नाल्लाचो रोस दाट आनी पातो, आमचें गोंयचें हें गोड, काळें गोड, थोड्यो काजू बियो आनी त्यो रोस्ट केल्या, आनी आमचें तांदळाचें पीठ. सो ओके, तर आतां आमी कितें करया, तांदळाचें पीठ हितून आमी घालून मिक्स करूया. लम्स येवंक खावना. ओके, तर मातशें घालुयात. So mix this with the coconut juice. I'm using this because otherwise we'll get lump. So we have to be, this batter has to be lump free. आदी आमी सूप कोत्ताली गरम आहे बरोबर व्हडले व्हडले हितून. तर तुमकां जर तर सुबेज क्वॉन्टिटी करूंक जाय जाल्यार सुबेज क्वॉन्टिटीन घालचें पडटलें. आनी इल्ली घी or बटर जाय आयदनाक लावपाक. सो यू नीड a mold where you will apply grease, some butter or ghee. Olden time we used to put our ghee, clarified butter. So mix this nicely. And we'll transfer this also into this. So you can do whichever way you want. The most easy way. Mix all this nicely. And we'll use our, so in Goa, no, you get, these are the expensive one because they are small. Okay, you have bigger one also you get, but this cute small one also you get. And cashew nuts as per your requirement. And I will add this also to this. This much at least you need. And I will add some pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Before going on the gas, mix this. Now we have to keep this on the gas and then cook till it leaves the sides of the pan. So now it's on the gas, and I will cook this till everything gets melt, and you have to only do with this. So dodol is like that only. You have to only make and stir like this. So dodol actually आधी आम्ही चुलीचेर करताली तेन्ना व्हडले दाणे घेवन करताली. आता चुली बिली जोब तसले कांय ना. पूण मागीर टायमय ना. ओके, हे हांवें दवरून घेवपाचें. सो लायक दीस ओनली यू हॅव टू स्टर, मेल्ट इट, then it will become thick. Then I will show you the other. And lastly you have to add the cashew nuts. So cashew nuts I have taken like half cup of this size. Measurements I always use of this sizes. So this is half cup of this I have taken cashew nuts. You can add more. It's up to you. See, as it is getting cooked, the color is changing. पळय जशें आमी रांदता 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 गोड मेल्ट जाता हितून हाय फ्लेमेर. ओके, आनी मागीर न्हू उसोंक स्टार्ट जातलें. देन इट वील स्टार्ट टू दिस. ओके, दॅट टायम यू ऑल जस्ट टेक केअर, दोज हू आर डुईंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम. इट्स सेम लायक हाव यू डू हलवा, दॅट वे ओनली इट इज. Is becoming thick because the rice flour is there. See, it is becoming thick. I have not added any sugar, okay, only good. And फकत गोड घातला, only jaggery I added. I have not added any sugar to this. Now at this point I will add our cashew nuts. If anybody wants more cashew nuts, you can add more cashew nuts. Dodol by dodol. फकत तें काम आसा दवरपाचें. You can see this fat fat fat. So take care of your hands. Few more minutes and it will be done. It's about to become, see, it's like this. Little more and it's done. It's leaving the pan. almost done. And scrape the sides also. Cook this very nicely, okay, till it leaves the pan. See, it is leaving the pan now. Now we will do it for few minutes because we put that rice flour, right? So that has to be nicely cooked because it is raw rice. तर आम्ही तांदळाचे पीठ घातला न्हू, ताका लागून बशे टायम लागता मातसो, पूण बरें लागतले. ओके, so here it is done, and now I will transfer this to the greased bowl and keep this to set, and then we can cut it when it is nicely cooled. So you have to wait till it gets nicely cooled down. So बरें थंड जावसर आमी रावंक जाय. मागीर आतां आमी हितून घालया, हितून तुमी तुमच्या आयडन घेयात, ताका ग्रीस करात आनी मागीर हेका आमी तितून घालून घेवया. So I'm going to put in this. You can put in the baking tray, aluminum tray, whichever tray you have. Grease this nicely. So I am doing this with clarified butter, that is ghee. I am using this, which is that Nandini. Okay. Put this. It's very, 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 very hot. So hot it is. This dodol actually my mom's favorite. Mostly all the Goan sweet dishes, it's her favorite. And let it cool down, and after that I will show you how it is. So now let it cool down. Till then, dev bare karu. Thank you so much. All of you, and this is our dodol. So I will demold this. It should come easily, but I'm just here is the dodol. Now we will cut this as per Woo! So here is our dodol. Hope you all will all enjoy this. Yummy. Try this recipe. And enjoy your Christmas. Thank you so much.